Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Christine. Today I am doing Makeup by Mario, collaborating with Sephora here. And these are 6 brushes. These are the face brushes, so they're called Complexion brush set. So there's 6 of them, and the master makeup artist Mario Dedivanovic. And he started as a consultant at Sephora, and now he's a big makeup artist. But I'll go ahead and put this right there so you can pause it and check it out. Put it closer, or you can just check it out online as well. So when you open it up, it's right down here. Looks like that, and it's got his picture here. Good looking guy. And right down here are the brushes. So there's 6 of them. The first one is the powder. Second one is the foundation right here. This one is the cheek. This one is the contour. This one is highlight. And the other one is for concealer. So when you take it out of here, it's got like the little coverings on them to protect the brushes. I'll start with a small one here. So when you take it off, just like that, looks like this. That's the top part. So you get an idea how it is. Very stiff. And then if I pretend I'm using it, since it's a concealer brush, this is what I would do. And the handle feels really nice. It's kind of weighted. It doesn't feel hollow inside. And it does say concealer right there. I'm not sure if that is picking up. Okay, next one is the highlighter. Looks like this. And that's the top part. There you go. I like how they did that with a two-tone right there. And if I put it, pretend I'm using it. Highlighter right here. Okay, next one is the contour, and it's slanted. That's the top part. So you get an idea with the bristles. Feels really nice. These are synthetic. So if it's contour, I'd use it like this. And then on my forehead. And also here, my jaw. Not sure if I can use that for my nose as well. I'd usually use something slimmer than this. But it could work, just pinch it, just like that. And the third one is the cheek. Looks like this. So it's pointy. Like that, top part. So this is different from what I'm used to using, and I can't wait to try it. And this one, the 5th one, is the foundation brush. There you go. Let's pretend I'm putting on foundation. Tap, tap. Okay, and the last one is the powder brush. Looks like this. Like that. This is super soft and so fluffy. Just pretend I'm putting powder everywhere on my face. There you go, just to see. Okay, and the last one. So, took the brushes off, and here's the little pouch that it comes in. It says Makeup by Mario, and it says Sephora there as well. So it's a clutch. This is how you close it. This is how you open it. This is a soft leather-like material. You open it up. Looks like this. This is a different material. It's a fabric with elastic holdings in them. I like that touch right there with a gold or rose gold. There. So I'm going to put them in. So you just put them in there. There's like, there you go. You put them in like that. They are elastic, and I noticed that when you do put them in there, that it has to be the way it's set up in here. That's the way it needs to be. So you can't just put them anywhere, because this is the largest out of them all where the powder can fit, and this is the smallest. And you close it up. There's no flap where it covers this, like some pouches, makeup pouches would have. It's like that. You can see it on the top, the brushes. And that's the bottom part. And I like that. It's like a cute pouch that you can just carry around, but obviously it's for your brushes. So I hope you find this helpful. Also, I want to add that this is $65 at Sephora.com, and for Sephora Canada, this is $95. Currently, as I'm recording this, it is out of stock, so I don't even see it in there, but if you do Google it, it does say it there. Hopefully you find this helpful, and give me a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.